Horses on one slow out, go, Aidan, go. Galloping goes, moving up now, Bukawe, Rivertown Oriel, side Bayanihan, Service Deluxe, Cassius King, Octubre 14, Awya, Bukawe. Rivertown goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Galloping goes in second and in third. Moving up now is Bayanihan, Cassius King, Service Deluxe. Darra in 6th position, Octubre 14, Queen Gabi. Then followed by Leviathan and Go, Iron Go is running at the tail of the field. There it's still Bukawe. Rivertown enjoying a 2 lengths lead, and in second moving up now Darna, Cassius King on the outside. Bukawe, Rivertown, Cassius King, Darna galloping goes, but it's still Bukawe, Rivertown, Cassius King, Darna galloping goes. Here comes Service Deluxe. Octubre 14 also moving up in 6, but it's still Bukawe, Rivertown, Octubre 14 now to take second as the field turns for Roma. Bukawe, Rivertown, Octubre 14, galloping goes. And it's still Bukawe, Rivertown, Octubre 14 on the outside. Bukawe, Rivertown, Octubre 14, now moving up on the outside. But it's still Bukawe, Rivertown, Octubre 14 moves up. Second, Bukawe, Rivertown, Queen Gabi close, galloping goes. Service Deluxe.